Go. Oh, it hooks. It's good.
30, 60. Quarter mile.
Wow. It feels good, no doubt.
EVs are the future of the automotive industry, no debate. Sooner or later, as the new and faster charging stations pop up on the map, drivers will lose range anxiety, if they haven't already, looking at the number of miles per charge that new beasts can provide. Almost everyone who has had a test drive an electric vehicle has been surprised by how much they like the car's driving dynamics. And this happens more often than not. But this video isn't about that. EVs are more packed than conventional automakers. In order to improve the efficiency of these electric vehicles, manufacturers are experimenting with numerous techniques and designs of powertrains. But one thing that is common in all these EVs is that instant torque that pushes your neck back against the seat. Drag race enthusiasts will know about that and love every bit of that feeling. That's what we'll be looking at in today's video, with clips where the Lucid is pushed against other EVs and how it performs in this category. So, let's get these wheels rolling. Welcome back to New Vehicle Media, your go-to channel for EV stock. Quick reminder, subscribing's free and liking the video will help YouTube suggest similar content. Comments are loved and featured in our upcoming videos. Lucid was never meant to drag race. But hey, it's an EV, so you know people will be interested in seeing that. From the start, there has been talks about the Lucid Air since it finished that quarter mile in record time under 10 seconds by beating a Tesla in September 2020. In fact, back in 2020, it was the first electric vehicle that was consistently hitting that quarter mile under 10 seconds. But that was 2020, and today there are new EVs like the Tesla Plaid and the Taycan on the street. Tesla's latest models have dominated the drag competition with 0 to 60 times of less than 2 seconds. We're going to see in the second half of the video how it compares to the Air. But now, let's see how the Air compares to the Porsche Taycan in a drag race. Let's roll the clip. That was some launch control, to say the least. With this drag race, Lucid took off like a rocket, comfortably beating the Taycan. The Taycan was never able to catch up with the Air. This test was repeated 3 times, with 3 rounds of Lucid on the winning side. There are, of course, some human errors in play, perhaps a late start. But wait till you see how that second drag race is placed out. Lucid drivers' delayed reaction gave the Taycan an enormous advantage right from the get-go. However, you can see that the consistent acceleration that Lucid maintains throughout the action as it was speeding up. Even with that huge lead, the Lucid Air was a clear winner and by quite a distance. Throughout the 3 tests, the results were consistent. So yeah, the Lucid Air won against the notorious Porsche Taycan. Surprising, but now let's move on to the Tesla Plaid model and how it compares to the Air sedan. Roll the clip. Tesla had previously been defeated, but this time, Musk came out with an even quicker Tesla Plaid model to take the lead. The Plaid model did, in fact, defeat the Lucid Air 2-1, which comes as no surprise considering that these new Tesla models are claimed to get from 0 to 60 in under 2 seconds. When we or nearly anybody else speaks about the electric automobile, the name Tesla is almost always brought up first. And we can see why. No matter how hard you try, it's hard to resist bringing up the subject of Tesla. If the firm strives to be the best at the things that people are discussing, it'll continue to be mentioned in the majority of EV-related talks. Sure, Tesla has challenges with quality control and other quirks, and people are undoubtedly talking about such concerns. However, it doesn't rule out the possibility that they've produced a superior electric vehicle for the market. There are a number of electric vehicles that have yet to be tested against the Lucid Air. As more and more manufacturers compete with their top-of-the-line products and against the finest in the industry, more and more these drag videos will surface. These EVs are even faster than some of the supercars you'll see on the market. Not just at drag race speeds, but even at top speed. Remember back in July 2017 when Lucid removed the speed limiter for the sedan? Yeah, watch for yourself what happened next. That's right, 235 miles per hour. Astonishing! It was faster than the VMAX of the LaFerrari Zenvo ST1 and the Lamborghini Veneno, and Lucid says it could go even faster. I certainly don't know the boundaries of these EVs, but I know one thing for sure. The future is here. Let me know what you think by leaving a comment below. And as always, check out these channels that put Lucid Air to the test against these EVs. We'll be putting links to these videos in the description. Alex says Tesla has a culture just like Apple, and he's glad to see other companies joining the EV world. That should wrap things up for today. Keep in mind that subscribing's still free, and liking helps YouTube recognize your preferences. Thanks for taking the time to watch, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.